Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and today I want to show you a special little workflow using a very popular Chrome extension called HTML to design. And now I'm pretty sure a lot of you know about it because you can literally copy any website and bring it into Figma. But what I want to do is I want to show you how you can bring in different websites into Figma and then eventually remix them and then bring them into Cloud Code or Codex or wherever you want, where you can potentially just end up vibe coding a project based on these websites that you remixed. But before we get started with today's video, I'd love to invite you guys to my Discord community. We're a bunch of different startup founders, designers, developers from all around the world. And we get together every single weekday to talk about different tools, different topics, different challenges. So if you guys are interested in joining, link is down in the description below. Anyway, so I found this really nice website, granola.ai. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know about it. They have a very nice marketing landing page. And what we can do is we can click on the HTML to design Chrome extension over here, and then we can select the viewport. I would say we can select this specific viewport, and we can also select the mobile one as well. And over here, we can choose light. And then instead of saving the file, let's just go ahead and click on send directly to Figma plugin. And that's going to allow that's going to open this new tab where I have to allow access. And now I'm going to click on capture current page, because you can capture a selection, right? You can select like the hero section, but I'm going to capture the current page. I want the full page, or you can do it directly inside of Figma with the plugin. So over here, I can remove this link and paste in this Granola AI link, click on import, and then we can say yes to auto layout, to styles as well, local styles maybe as well. We don't really need the hover effects, and we don't really need these enhancements. So let's go ahead and click on proceed. And again, this is like using the free version, and every 30 days you have 10 free imports. And I think that's enough when it comes to just working on a project. And the website, like the design, looks just like the actual website, right? There are a few fonts missing. So as you can see, it turned this one into Inter. So I can also click on download missing fonts and then click on update fonts. And then as you can see, the fonts get updated. And another, template that I found in the Figma marketplace or the Figma community is this one. Very, very simple portfolio template. And you can continue on importing different websites. So for example, I have the Granola, I have Stripe, I have ramp.com, which is another great website. And I can go ahead and paste in this one that I found from the community. And then what I can start doing is I can go ahead and select the frames that I want. So let's say that I like this portfolio, but I want to make it in the style of the Granola website. I can select the nice design that I got from HTML to design and click on Command L to copy it, or right click and copy the link to the selection. And then go into MagicPath.ai, where I can then paste in the design and do the same thing with this template. So again, Command L and Command V. And inside of MagicPath, we get both of our designs. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag my mouse and I'm going to select these two, click on mix. And in the prompt box, I'm going to say implement the color theme of the Granola hero section. And then eventually we can get a design like this, right? We get our nav bar, we get our hero section, we get this latest experiment, these different project tabs over here with this very nice kind of hover interaction. So we end up bringing in two designs, one that we brought in with that Chrome extension and one that we got from the template marketplace. And we created something like this. And once I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on code and I'm going to open it directly in Cursor. So all we have to do is we have to paste in that command that MagicPath gives us. And we want to say where exactly we want to put it in our downloads and rename the project to whatever we want. Portfolio Granola in this case. And click on enter for cursor, and it's going to automatically open cursor as you can see. And then we have our project over here, and I'm going to run my project with this command yarn dev, and we're going to command click on this link. And as you can see, we get our nice design from our two designs from Figma. And this is just like a really cool workflow of how you can get any design from the web and combine it with Figma designs. And you can do the same process, like you can combine Granola's website with Stripe's website, or Stripe's website with Ramp's website, all by bringing those websites into Figma, then MagicPath, and then eventually bringing that here to Cursor. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.